Ready to ditch the clunky CRM and discover a smarter, more intuitive way to manage your relationships? In this beginner's tutorial, we'll unlock the power of Attio CRM, guiding you through the essentials to get started quickly. First, let's set up your workspace. Attio's clean interface makes it easy to customize your views and tailor the platform to your specific needs, whether you're in sales, marketing, or anything in between. Next, importing contacts is a breeze. You can easily upload your existing data from spreadsheets or other CRMs. Attio will automatically deduplicate and enrich your contact information. Now, let's create your first list. Lists are how you organize and segment your contacts. In Attio, you can customize lists using a variety of filters, such as industry, location, or deal stage. Attio's Relationship Intelligence feature is a game-changer. It automatically surfaces key insights about your contacts and their connections, helping you build stronger relationships. Say goodbye to manual data entry. Attio automatically tracks your emails and meetings, keeping your communication history organized and up-to-date, without you having to lift a finger. Finally, let's explore workflows. Attio allows you to create simple workflows to automate tasks and manage your deals effectively. This ensures nothing falls through the cracks.